Hello viewers, my name is Dr. Chandrasekhar. I'm an orthopedic consultant in Medicover Hospital, High Tech City, Hyderabad. I specialize in joint replacement surgery of knee and hip joints. Today I'm going to give a brief overview on how the recovery after a total knee replacement surgery is going to be and what to expect out of the surgery. As we all know, total knee replacement has become a very common procedure performed across the globe. The total knee replacement is mainly done for somebody who has end stage arthritis. That means there is so much of wear and tear in their joints that they are not able to cope with that pain anymore, and the pain is significantly affecting their walking and ability to do day-to-day activities. So there are lots of fears and misconceptions regarding this surgery amongst many people, and we keep coming across patients who have unknown fears about this surgery. They're mainly worried about how the pain is going to be after the surgery, whether they will be able to walk after the surgery, and whether they will be able to get back to their original level of activities following the surgery. Today, I'm going to briefly focus on how the recovery is going to be and what the outcome is going to be after having a total knee replacement surgery. Total knee replacement surgery, as I had said earlier, is a successful operation which is mainly performed for somebody who suffers with end stage arthritis with significant pain affecting their day-to-day activities. The typical age group who undergoes this operation is above 60 to 65, and if somebody is fit enough to undergo the surgery, I think they should have the full benefit of having this particular successful operation. With regards to the post-operative recovery and unknown fears, let me tell you that it's a very good operation for somebody who has significant pain, and there will be a drastic improvement in their quality of life after the surgery. The actual duration of surgery on an average is about an hour for the operation, and generally it is done under spinal anesthetic. That means the patient is awake during the surgery. And apart from this, most surgeons across the globe do various measures or take certain precautions to improve the recovery period, reduce the pain in the recovery period. Some of these measures are intraoperative injections. So it's a routine practice across the globe where after the surgery or during the surgery, local anesthetic infiltration is given into various parts of the knee, and that improves the pain to a significant extent. And apart from that, a few centers like in ours, we do what is called as a post-operative enhanced recovery protocol, wherein we leave a catheter inside the knee for continuous infiltration of local anesthetic agent into the knee joint. That helps significantly in terms of pain control and early recovery. And there are other nerve blockage injections given by the anesthetist, which also helps in pain relief. So this significantly improves the ability of the patient to walk immediately after the surgery. There is no contraindication for the patient not to walk after the surgery. They will be able to walk within a few hours after the procedure, and usually the hospital stay is around 2 to 3 days depending upon the patient's general condition. And after the surgery, the patient needs to comply with a regimen of physiotherapy wherein they are put through through a regular exercise program to improve the strength and mobility in the knee joint. The dressing after the surgery is changed at 2-week period when the sutures are also removed, and usually the patient needs to walk with the help of some walking aid, either a stick or a walking stand, for about a month or up to 6-week period. And usually the physiotherapy is an ongoing thing which the patient needs to comply with for at least for the first 2 to 3 months. And generally, most of the patients will be able to get back to their normal level of pre-operative physical activity at around 3-month period. And it is quite common for the patients to expect some sleep disturbances and some degree of discomfort in the knee joint for the first 4 to 6-week period following the surgery. However, the degree of pain is much less as compared to their suffering what they were having before the operative procedure. By and large, the surgery is quite safe, and it can be done on most of the patients who are medically fit to have a safe anesthetic. And if it is appropriately done, generally the outcome of the surgery is pretty good. The usual survivorship of a total knee prosthesis is around 90 to 95% at the end of 15 years. with modern implants and with modern surgical techniques, the survivorship of these prostheses is significantly higher, and there are newer type of implants where there are newer biomaterials used with ceramic coating and vitamin E impregnated polyethylene, which all increase the survivorship of these prostheses. So having gone through a brief overview of the recovery period after total knee replacement, I can say that it is quite a successful procedure, and the benefit of this surgery should be given to somebody who has significant arthritis in the knee and who has significant limitation to their day-to-day activities. Thank you.